and welcome back to the series of me testing out different hobbies to stop doom scrolling. Today we are sewing. With your measurement, cut out your torso piece from the folded materials, leaving 2 centimeters, and then cut out the triangles for your top part. You have 2 triangles that look like this. Sew a running stitch across the edge of each triangle to gather the fabric. Cut out 2 extra triangles and attach both sides. You should end up with chest pieces that look like this, but yours could look so much better than mine. Fold both edges of the torso and attach the triangles in the middle, and then pin both sides together for guidelines on where to sew. When completed, yours should look a little like this. Cut out strips of fabric and fold and flat iron them so they hold the shape for when you want to sew them together. Next, make a loop at the top of the chest piece and sew so that you can attach the strings you just made. Make strings for both sides to tie them together as well. Attach and you are done. My fingers almost fell off. I believe this method is easier. You first of all get a used t-shirt, and then we'll be cutting across and using the down part for our torso and then the up to make our cups. Ignore the bad drawing. Snip, snip, snip. Next, you can take measurements or just get a top that is your size and then draw out the torso. Thread your needle and sew both sides according to the shape you do. Next, you take the top piece and trace out your cups and then you cut them out. Please get a better scissors than mine. Something sharp. In the hand, you should have 4 identical triangle pieces. Next, you take the sleeve of the dress and cut out the edges. This would be the string for the neck attachment. Repeat for both sides so you get 2 strings. Sew both earlier triangle pieces together and attach the string to form the top part of the top. What am I saying? Anyway, you should have 2 identical pieces like this if you get the gist. Next, we are going to attach the top pieces to the torso that we sew. So you fold over the edges and then you pin both pieces together for direction on where to sew. Repeat this for both the front and the back part of the dress. Ignore the makeshift ring on my finger. I managed to injure myself with a needle. It should look like this, and then you just sew. And voila, you could just add the string at the back, but I refuse to. Oh my god, I love it. I feel like it's so cute. This is the one I made from scratch and made with materials I had at home. I absolutely love it. It's very cute, though it was very difficult to make. And there's some imperfections here and there, but I feel like overall it's a very cute top and it will come out very, very good if you have better materials than mine. This is nice. I really do like it. I do like it. Oh, there are some mistakes, but I do like it. So
This is the second outfit top from the t-shirt. This, whatever, I love it. I feel like it's very nice, very casual, and it didn't take as much time as the first one, so it was quite easy to make by hand. I feel like it's very beautiful, and overall I'm kind of glad we both projects came out. They are very, very pretty. Alright, that will be all for today. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and keep up with the channel. If you want to catch up on the rest part of the series of watching me try out different hobbies, click on this playlist here to get you started. Alright, bye. See you, lovelies.